Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Instagram, and more specifically, I'm going to try to answer a question that I've gotten a lot lately, and that is, how do you make your Instagram profile private? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video. There's really not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to make your Instagram profile private? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe your ex-girlfriend's been snooping around in the things that you're up to, or maybe you've applied for a job and you don't want them to see the very crazy posts that you have on Instagram. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's all handled here in the app. It's this colorful one right here on the top left. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open up my Instagram account now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Instagram account. This is the home screen here. Now here on the home screen, if you would like to make your Instagram profile private, what you want to do is click down here on the bottom right. It's going to be your profile icon. Okay, once you click there, then you're going to see all the posts that you have on Instagram. But in order to make your Instagram account private, you want to click on this hamburger menu here on the top right. All right, once you click there, you're going to see this drop down menu. And in order to make your Instagram profile private, you want to click here on settings. It has a little gear icon next to it. Okay, once you click there, once again, you're going to see another drop down menu. But in order to make your Instagram account private, you want to click here on privacy. It has a little lock icon next to it. Okay, guys, so here is where you can make your Instagram account private. Here at the top, it has a little lock icon next to it. In order to make your Instagram account private, you want to check that over and make it blue. If it's black like it is mine, then your Instagram account is not private. So once again, with this little radio button, slide it over and it will turn blue, and then your Instagram account will then be private. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for information on how to make your Instagram account private, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.